Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Odin 2 versus Odin 2 Mini. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about size. Odin 2 provided larger, bulkier or stationary size. And 2 Mini provided compact and lightweight for portability, so depend upon the need. Screen size. Odin 2 provided 3.0 inches and Odin 2 Mini provided 5.5 inches screen size. So Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the resolution. Odin 2 provided full HD 1920 into 1080 resolution and Mini provided HD 1280 into 720 resolution, so Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the performance. Odin 2 provided higher and cheapest for advanced gaming, and Mini is mid-range cheapest performance, so Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Odin 2 provided up to 8 hours large battery capacity, and Mini provided up to 6 hours battery life, so Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the storage. Odin 2 provided 256 GB expandable storage, and Mini provided 128 GB expandable storage. So Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Odin 2 is higher, and the price of Odin 2 Mini is lower. So Odin 2 Mini is best for budget-friendly users. Now let's look at the portability. Odin 2 provided less portable due to large size, and Odin 2 Mini highly portable. So Odin 2 Mini is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. In Odin 2, comprehensive Wi-Fi Bluetooth ATC is available, and in Odin 2 Mini, basic connectivity is available. So Odin 2 is better. Now let's look at the audio quality. The audio quality of Odin 2 is superior stereo speakers, and in Odin 2 Mini standard audio is available, so Odin 2 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.